every day up to $1,000 can be earned, and this can be done over and over again. There's no need for selling, making videos, or having difficult technical expertise. The nicest thing about the strategy is that it requires no prior knowledge and is therefore entirely free, and people from all over the world love this strategy. You can make money online right now, regardless of where you are in the world, by simply using your smartphone or your computer. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. And please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Upleap is the website we'll be using today to earn passive income online. To get started, simply go to upleap.com. Upleap is a software startup that helps people grow their Instagram accounts and followers by providing a service and a tool. This is the website that we will use to generate money today. But don't worry, you won't need an Instagram account, followers, or anything to sell. I'll walk you through everything and make it as simple as possible for you, including give you script that you can copy and paste. I'll show you how to copy and paste so you can start utilizing it right away. Even if you are a complete beginner, you can start making money. After watching this video, Instagram, for those of you who are new, is a social media platform that allows you to upload and share photos and videos. Basically, here I'll show you how to make money online. Now the key is the affiliate program, which allows you to earn commissions while also assisting others in increasing their Instagram followers. Using these tools to join the affiliate program, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and click on the link. You'll be directed to this page. After that, as you can see, we can be part of the Upleap affiliate network, which allows us to earn monthly recurring commissions. The concept is very simple, and the first step is to sign up as a free affiliate. There are no hidden fees, and I'll show you how to sign up step by step. After you signed up for a free account, go to your dashboard and grab your short affiliate link. The third step is to start sharing and marketing your special affiliate link. When someone clicks your link from anywhere on the internet, it leads them to step where they can check their progress and pay you for each person who signs up for Upleap. Essentially, this is a referral program in which you can earn a 30% monthly commission by promoting Upleap to others to help them grow their Instagram profiles. Now, if this sounds amazing, then smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get back to the video. So, let me show you just how much money you can make as an Upleap affiliate. They basically have 3 packages on their website, and you don't have to buy any of them. There is no purchase, no sale, and this is completely free. All you have to do now is grab your affiliate links and begin promoting these 3 packages to others. Now, there are basically 3 packages that you may promote, and these are the monthly packages as a result. This is typically the most popular package. This is a monthly fee, and this is the most popular bundle. As a result, this package will be purchased by a large number of people. The fact that this is a monthly recurring commission is a plus. As a result, this is a really useful tool and people will continue to buy this bundle. They'll keep using Leap, which means you'll be able to make passive earnings again and again. The good news is that this is only a single customer. Consider this. If you refer 10 people, 30 people, and each of them purchases a package and continues to use Upleap, you will be earning a lot of money. This is a fantastic option for beginners to begin earning money online. First and foremost, you must register for a free Upleap affiliate account to become an affiliate. As promised, as you can see, I produced the entire script for you to help with marketing of this product. You can see here the entire script I provided for you, which you can simply copy and paste into your affiliates. You can earn 30% of the profit. If people read this template, then click on this link and then make purchase. All you have to do now is click on this button. Simply bring your first and last names as well as your email address and password, which you should double check now. Tick off "I am not a robot," and by clicking this button, agree to the terms of service and sign up now. Moving on, I'm going to give you something very cool to help you get started making your first dollar in commission online. If people read this template, then click on this link and then make purchase. You may now see the entire template, which contains tips for exponentially growing your Instagram followers. As you can see, by educating others on how to grow their Instagram accounts, you're literally giving away free value. You will develop a lot of trust from others, if you think, and they will eventually click on this link to learn more about your #1 suggested tool. They are more likely to make a purchase since they first and foremost trust you. That is, in fact, a very professional and legitimate technique to make money online. The next step is to pick where you want to share this copy and paste script. Now I know you're thinking, what are the greatest places to get free traffic to our affiliate links so that people will click on it? That is the most typical issue among beginners, which is why I'm recommending Quora.com to you. This is where we'll get a lot of traffic referrals and people looking at our website. So all we have to do now is copy and paste this script onto Quora. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Quora, let me clarify. Quora is essentially a free public forum. Many individuals come on this site to discuss a variety of topics. Others ask questions, and some people respond. There are a lot of different images here, and there are a lot of different discussions. The monthly visitors are in the millions, which is insane. Every month, millions of people visit this website. And if you do it well, if you take advantage of Quora's power, you'll receive a lot of clicks. Many visitors will quickly click on your affiliate links. And if they make a purchase, you'll receive a 30% commission. So you're going to create a free account on Quora right now. All you have to do is go to Quora.com and you'll be taken straight to this page. The sign up with your email address. Simply click this link, fill out all of your information on this side of the page, and then click the sign up button. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've logged into your Quora account, you'll see something like this. See here. If we hit the search button, Quora will automatically assist us in finding all of the different questions, posts, and discussions that people are having about this topic. You can see how to obtain more Instagram followers here. What is the best technique to get more Instagram followers quickly? This type of topic gets a lot of attention on Quora.com. Hundreds of thousands of individuals are interested in learning more about the subject. So let's say I click on this post right here, and it takes me to this page where there are a lot of people who have responded to this question. As you can see, he's actually providing a very nice response, and some of them even include a link in between their posts demonstrating that this is a tried and true method. People usually share some positive values. They include free values in their postings, and they include referral links somewhere in the posts or at the end. People will then get a commission if they click on that. So that will be our exact strategy. First and foremost, I'd like you to click on this button, which is the answer. Click this, and you'll be sent to the page where you can really provide an answer to the question. How can I gain more Instagram followers? This is when the script truly comes into. Just copy this complete script, and then return to this page and paste your response into this box. All you have to do now is click on Paste. Remember to include your affiliate links in this section. This is crucial because if you don't include your affiliate links, then you won't be able to earn any money, and that strategy we are going to do. All you have to do now is go to Quora.com and search for different topics. In a sense, you're looking for folks who want to increase their Instagram followers. When you share free values with them, such as these, trust your advice, and many of them will eventually click on. You can then earn 30% monthly commission on any purchase they make with either of these packages. That's how you can earn a lot of money online with the method that I just showed you. And that's it. This has been Gain Access. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.